how to log out of Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to log out of Facebook, if I go and open the Facebook application here, you can currently see that I'm logged into my account. And after you've done this, what you actually want to do is, if I want to log out, what do? It's very simple. Make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right, because this menu bar is on the top right for Android users. For iOS users, these menu options will be at the bottom right, so make sure to tap the bottom right if you're using on iPhone. And once you've done that, you will see this interface where you don't have to do anything. Once you come to the menu page, just scroll a bit further below, and at the very bottom you'll find an option called Logout right underneath settings and privacy. So all you gotta do is just tap the logout option here, and once you tap the logout option, you'll be able to save the login info if you'd like. I personally like having it saved because I don't want to type the password over and over. So I'll tap on logout, and now you can see I have been successfully logged out, and if I want, I can log into the same account or I can log into another account. So hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.